Hello, friend. I hope you are doing well. This month has been quite busy, so I put together a short vlog from a few days when I actually remembered to take my camera with me. So let's start with Dune Cafe. I was here a few months ago for a shoot, but by the time I finished working, all the pastries were gone. So I promised myself I would come back. So I'm here. It's about a 30-minute bus ride from Edinburgh, and this bakery is quite famous for this beautiful view of the bridge. The pastries, a solid 9 out of 10. Absolutely delicious. Look at this. It's so nice here, but really cold. At the beginning of the month, I had a shoot in London and Derby, which is about an hour from London. So after almost 5 hours of traveling, I finally got into a taxi heading to the hotel. And no, I don't always get such lovely apartments. Usually they are much more modest. So this felt like a tiny luxury. It was already 4 in the morning and I had to be ready at 7. I woke up this early to do my makeup and hair. Also, I wouldn't look sleepy at 7. Good morning. I'm on my way to Derby now. I didn't feel much more because I was honestly so exhausted. After these shootings in early November, I had my first solo exhibition in Edinburgh. It was very stressful, but also very mindful. I prepared 30 brochures about the exhibition, artworks on paper, and 12 paintings on canvas. A lot of energy and money went into organizing everything. But actually, I'm so proud of myself for making it happen. Here I'm packing 2 paintings from my new series, which are now on their way to America. If you also want to buy my art, check out my website or find the link below. And this is me a week later. After many shoots in a row and several long train rides, I didn't sleep much, didn't eat well, and still stressed from the exhibition, so the result is perfectly visible on my face. And that's all for today. If you'd like to see more of my life and work, feel free to follow me on Instagram. And by the way, I'm already preparing a Christmas vlog and it's going to be super cozy. So thank you for being here today and hope to see you soon. Bye!